I am Isa, this is Pete. We're Romulomaniacs and we're camping in our garden again. It's Easter Saturday and today we have upgraded to premium, and instead of sleeping under the tarp in a sleeping bag, we made a bed.
Yep, gone all out. We've got little duvets and proper pillows and everything in there, make it nice and cosy. And we're using the old tent
That's it.
in the garden because it doesn't need pegging down or anything, and we're on the decking.
That's it. So it's going to be flat, comfortable and easy. And Pete at the moment is making a fire feather.
Well, let's test and see if this wood's any good for it. It's a little bit
Looks good.
hard.
I want to have a go. A proper bed. Sleeping on this lovely fake mattress.
So Isa's just practicing a bit of making a feather stick. He's just making little thin bits of wood like this so it catches easier.
It's like stroking.
If you get the right wood and a really sharp knife, you can actually just get that lit just from an ember, can't you?
Yeah, that's the idea. It's like
Probably
a
this
fire
is
start.
not fine enough for that. This is kind of,
Look,
it's going to help start the fire still.
This is perfect. Look. Super thin shavings.
So there you go. Bit of bushcraft as well.
Jim's front door, but nobody's in and nobody's home till 4. So you're sitting there with nothing to do, talking about Robert Riker and his motley crew, and where you gonna go and where you gonna sleep tonight.
So yeah, doing this for the NHS again. This is Easter weekend this time. Just started to get the fire going so we can get our coals on and cook our dinner. I'm doing a Zoom again with our friends. Zoom meeting.
Dressing up today.
Got the coals perfect now. And we're going to slap on some Spanish morcilla.
Now you have to stab it.
I don't want to get too close because it's very hot and I don't want to damage the... Yeah, you have to stab it like sausages so it doesn't explode. This Spanish black pudding called morcilla. I'm going to barbecue it. It's lovely barbecued. It's the best way to cook it, is in the barbecue. It's lovely.
And I'm going to put some sausages as well.
Yep, we got some chipolatas as well. We still got the Zoom going over there. Them lot just don't shut up. Our friends are very talkative. And then we're also going to put on some of these mushrooms whole. Just slap them on there whole.
Lovely, lovely. Guys, have a look.
I'm going to show our friends on Zoom.
Can you see it? That's our dinner. Okay, so food is almost ready here.
Yep.
So I am going to start serving the dinner. Mortilla's done. Goodness. Ah, my hand was very hot.
Okay, so here it is. We've got the morcilla here. Sausages, salad, and a big old mushroom. All done on a barbie. Yeah?
Yeah.
Coals are still hot. In fact, I think they're hotter now than they were when we started cooking. Really hot. Restaurant grade. Good stuff.
Okay, so we're going to do some char cloth. So in this tin, this is metal tin, we have bits of cotton towel, really. It just need to be 100% cotton for it to work properly. So this is just an old towel that we have cut up in squares. And we're putting it in a tin. This tin has a hole in it where it fits perfectly this nail. So when this has been smoked, burned, we will put the nail in to stop the oxygen going in. And now what I'm going to do is take my fire glove, which is here, and just place it directly on the fire. Taking it off.
To do it quickly, the gloves are not fireproof.
Oh, it's very hot.
Yeah, just put it down, then put the nail in. You don't have to hold it while you put the nail in.
Oh. Okay, well,
That's it.
it's supposed to stop the oxygen going in.
And that should just smoke it, basically.
And become like coal char cloth.
Yeah.
The fire in the background.
Still see the fire through the netting. Get the outside open and just close the inner part of the tent.
Keep it safe from the backs. Great British camp out.
There we go, she's got her hoodie.
Oh, this is nice. I'm going to watch something now, aren't we?
Yeah, I think we're going to watch a film now, aren't we? Or put a film on the laptop anyway. And I'll probably fall asleep.
I'm alright, I have enough.
So we've got duvet from inside. Where's the blanket? Like a blanket.
Oh, it's quite warm actually.
And a really cheapo sleeping bag that opens up all the way.
So here we are, streaming online while lying in our tent with the fire in the background.
Technology, eh?
Not bad, eh? The delivery!
Yeah, nice.
This was another level. I have
Morning.
beautifully.
Yeah, we set up much better this time with, to make it cosy and nice and everything, with duvets and blankets and God knows what.
It's less adventurous. That was so nice. I mean, it's like 9 AM and we're still in the tent.
Yeah, last time we couldn't wait to get out of it.
We were out at 6.
And there we've got a nice cup of tea.
Cheers, and I'm going to make a small fire to toast some hot cross buns. Because it's Easter Sunday.
Yeah, happy Easter everyone.
Happy Easter everyone.
And the good thing is the sun's up
Already?
like come up this morning.
It's
So
hot.
I think that helped stop that morning cold as well.
I was even hot. I have to take away all the blankets. Pete has all the blankets.
Right.
Yeah. I'm making a little fire just to toast the hot cross buns.
Is it gonna last?
Uh,
I think it's going out. I think she's got it this time.
I'm not sure.
Oh,
Don't be sure.
zombie sure.
Pete's doing morning yoga. I am taking care of the fire. I'm having a cup of tea. Photo in the end. Pete is prepping the hot cross buns to put to toast. Good stuff.
There you go. Buttered and jammed. Toasted on the fire. Lovely.
Sunday morning treat. This is how I eat them. I don't like the jam. Put butter and dip them.
But he's just got the wrong ones. You got the wrong ones, didn't you?
I got the delicious ones. Mine don't have fruit, they have chocolate.
Well, they salted caramel and chocolate.
Yeah, instead of fruits. We hope you enjoyed our camp out.
You can tell we slept well last night because we actually went out on a bike ride today.
Yeah, and we're looking beautiful and young.
So, yeah, our next video will be the bike ride. Look out for it.
That's right. We haven't showed you yet what happened with the material that we put in the tin. So I have the tin here. This is what happened with the cloth. It become char cloth. Now, why the heck would we want to do this to a towel? It's because it's a great way to create an amber. And Pete is going to show you how to do it.
Get a nice sharp edge on a bit of flint. Put this on the edge of it like that.
And what you have on your other hand?
And that's a steel, basically, which is high
Carbonate.
carbon content,
Yeah.
I think. Ready?
Yeah. Oh.
So you see the sparks, you've got to try and get one to land on the cloth.
Oh,
Oh,
no.
it lit, but then it went out. There we go. Finally.
There we
Took
go.
a long time. There you've got an ember.
And you can place it on hay or maybe on the feather stick that we did the other day, and that can be
Whoop.
the way to start a fire. So you have to be careful with it. Just step on it, Pete.
And that is burning very hot. So.
Yes. So have a very happy Easter, everyone. Goodbye.